If Firefox is not staying as your default browser or links keep opening in another browser instead, it can be frustrating when trying to browse the web normally. So in this video I will show you how to set Firefox as default browser. The first thing you have to do is to go to this application. In this window you will move to these three dots here, so I will tap on above. In this list you will tap on settings, you will click on your settings. After that, here in this page you will go to this window and you will find this feature of set as default browser, so you need to tap here to fix this problem, and you will choose here Firefox and then we click on set as default, as you see. So this is how it works. If you are enjoying watching this video and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to press the bell icon, subscribe. See you next time.